Well, go on YouTube. Welcome back to our channel. Well, tonight, guys, it's gonna be a whole different other something. Yes, tonight we're going to do a challenge. Yes, so tonight we're going to do the water crackers challenge. And if you notice, we don't have no water, we don't have no drinks. So anybody who knows Excelsior water crackers knows that yes, them hard by nature, yes, them call them tough crackers. And we are doing it without water. Okay? So each person I gonna get 5 crackers in a them plate. The first person to done and put them plate over their head and show us them done, win the challenge. Alright, so you know what, so we don't do nothing in our house and the Bennett house, we don't do nothing unless we have a prize. So over here is the prize. So we have 5, we have 10, so 2, 5, 10, 3, 5, 15, and 10, $25 for the winner. So, I'll put this in my pocket for now, because I know I win. Alright.
You know you're now win, so put back the money on the table.
You mean he gonna cheat?
No, I ain't gonna cheat. I say everybody gonna get 5 crackers in the plates. Alright, guys. There's some put back the $25, so I'll put it back. Alright. So, we put the crackers them in the plate. All the crackers are supposed to be of the same size. So 2 for you. 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 1 for me. 1 for me. 1 for me. Alright. So, I'll put the bag aside because we want to see everything we are going. So guys, everybody ready? You all ready? Okay. Alright. After 3, we're going to do this after 3. So why we not seeing the camera? Can I scoot up a bit more? We not see you fully in the camera. Alright, there you go. You're in the camera now. Alright, so after 3. 1, 2, 3.
Lord have mercy. I can't swallow it. Good work out, yo. I'm done. I can't even. Oh God.
Mine's too up for a
I can't
and a half.
do it. I can't swallow it. Y'all eat this. God,
Right.
if I leave here tonight, Lord, please.
Guys, 1 more cracker. Oh, I'm just driving money right there, so I know.
This is awful. I ain't gonna tell nobody to lie. No, try this, y'all. It tastes like chalk and vinegar. It's something.
God.
Oh my God. You
Let
really?
me start the more. Let me start the more. Start running the more. I'm gonna get this spoiled pan.
You hurry up, take some water. But this crack ain't gonna kill me. It's gonna take me out. This is the worst.
Rough. So that's just that chalk.
It's like chalk and some thick something. Can't even describe it. It's awful. I know that.
Alright, guys.
You ate that.
Let me see that.
She don't have nothing. She ate them. I know.
You didn't hungry?
I don't know what she was, but she ate them like a champ.
No, you have to take some of this.
No, these are stepmom crackers. Eat them.
No.
Eat them.
Well, guys,
Where can I tell you, Jeff, you can't do it?
look like we have a winner. Zoe is the winner.
She only eat half my crackers. She only eat half my crackers.
Y'all
We
listen.
can't.
Listen.
But that was falling in that first tour. That was
I'm gonna have to tell y'all. Don't try this one. I'm telling you, it tastes like chalk mixed with some putty something. I don't know.
Guys,
But I'm so ready to get some water. I don't know what to do. It's awful.
I shall be going shopping in the morning. Guys, $25 is mine.
You got a strong stomach,
Right.
girl.
No,
we just finished two. Now we're the third one now.
No, the trick is you have to half chew one, then put one eggs on your mouth. Half chew that.
You can't even have chew it. It's what they hit your mouth. It's just like, no, ma'am.
Yeah, you have to
No.
drink water.
Pass me water. More eat off me now, but I can't eat the dry.
I don't know how I got that down, but I can't.
Pass me water.
Yeah, let me get a sip first. Good God, no.
Guys, it wasn't that bad. They just
It was awful. Don't let me tell you that.
Me love water crackers, so
Don't try
I
these
don't
water
like
crackers.
for me.
Uh-uh.
Ma, it never that
Let's
bad.
just talk about water cracker. Water what? That's dry like the desert. No. Y'all listen.
That's the name of the water crackers. It's called Excelsior
If
water
y'all don't know
crackers.
anything about this, I don't know if it's an international cracker, a Jamaican cracker. I don't know where it comes from.
Jamaican
But
cracker.
Jamaican cracker, but let me tell you something, Americans, don't try that cracker. Don't do it. It's the worst you can, don't taste. Look at that. If you put in your mouth, it is terrible.
So, I don't want to go on next round.
No, we're done with that. No.
I think we
No,
should
no.
go on
You
next round,
win.
guys.
You win, man. You win.
She gets the winners, because guys, let me
Me
tell
I
you.
search the chair with me done. I mean, if it's happening down there.
This right here.
Guys, me know I want to see me eat all of my crackers then. Me never drop
Me I don't watch
nothing.
the camera.
Me never. Guys, me eat all of my crackers then. Because me is a champ. They just can't take losers.
Well, I'm going to tell you
Me's a
tonight.
champ.
I'm going to tell you tonight, I'm a loser. That right there, I can go no further with.
You never that. Daddy, you done lose already. Stepmom eat a cracker. Eat daddy because
But I would gladly donate this to anyone that would like them water crackers, because Sophie cannot do them. So that we are done with.
That was the water cracker challenge. Zoe is the winner. She claimed I wasn't watching because I was busy trying to
No,
eat my
she wanted
crackers.
fair and square. She
So,
Right,
fair and
guys.
square.
I don't know if you see it.
shopping tomorrow, guys. If anybody wants to come shopping, I might go to the Dollar Tree. I don't know yet.
I was gonna say you ain't going far with 25.
Ma, why everyone eat up?
Just
So,
saying.
as me I said, I don't know if she cheat.
She didn't cheat.
Me I go back and watch the camera because I didn't see her. I was busy trying to eat my crackers.
Daddy, you just can't
But-
accept the fact you lose.
As I said, guys,
He's a sore loser. You already know that.
thank you
For
for
what?
the support. Thank you for watching. And don't forget to hit that subscribe button. I need your support. Hit that subscribe button. Hit that post notification bell. So anytime the family upload a video, you would be notified.
And remember, guys, do not eat the water crackers.
The next
Guys.
challenge we're gonna do is the bun challenge. We just have to go get some bun, but we're gonna do the bun.
Yeah.
You want to do the bun
The
challenge?
dry bun challenge. That
You're not getting no cheese. You're really so.
no dry bun.
I
No
want-
cheese.
I
You see
want-
like how the crackers them tough and dry? Yes, God.
I can't. Y'all, I can't with them. They about to take me out. They had to pump my stomach. No, I can't take it.
Guys,
No.
any of our Jamaican supporters want to send us some national bun so we can do the bun challenge?
With the cheese, cause that's
No,
all
no
I can
cheese.
eat that
If
with
you're-
the cheese. No cheese, no bun for me.
If you are in a state where you can find the Jamaican spice bun, national,
Excelsior.
HTB, whatever, you can send us some. Okay, we will be greatly appreciated.
With the cheese, cause that's
No
all.
cheese.
No,
Yeah, don't need no
wait.
cheese.
Listen to
Dry
me.
bun challenge.
Listen to me. Ladies and gentlemen, send the bun with the cheese. That's the only way I can eat it and be in the contest. Help me out.
No.
I can't do it dry.
No.
Ah, that's cheating.
No, that's eating it.
Thank you guys.
That's
Thank you
eating it
for
but with the
watching.
cheese. Good
Thank you
night.
for watching. Peace. We're out.